A lively curator guides curious minds through a safe-at-home experiment where soap bubbles glow under natural light as kids observe gas behavior. First, they mix water, dish soap, and a pinch of baking soda to create a bubbly solution, then add vinegar to produce carbon dioxide that inflates bubbles in sunlight. The narrator explains that CO2 is denser than air and easier to trap in bubbles, making them dance and pop with claps of sunlight. Viewers are encouraged to predict which bubble pops fastest and why. Finally, the science behind diffusion and light shows ties everything together for future experiments.